Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making top sirloin cap steaks in the air fryer. This is quick, easy, and delicious. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cookin 5.8 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I have my top sirloin cap ready to go. I'm going to cut these into individual steaks. I have let my steaks sit out to get up to room temperature. They've been out for about 35 to 40 minutes. This will allow for a more even cook. I have my air fryer preheating for 5 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Basically, the only time I ever preheat is for steaks. We want that air fryer nice and hot. And for the seasoning, I'm going with good old salt and pepper. That's usually my go-to for steaks. I'm using a flaked sea salt. I love using this on steaks. It gives it a nice little crunch. I will season both sides with salt and pepper. Freshly ground black pepper. Pat that in just a little bit, and I will flip these over and do the other side. I did not trim any of the fat off these steaks. I like my fat. If you want to trim some off, feel free. I would leave just a little bit though, because fat is flavor. Okay, this is done preheating. I'll get our steaks in. Okay, have them all in. Now I am going for a medium rare. We'll see how that goes. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. 4 minutes in, I'm going to flip the steaks over and then we are going to go from there. Again, I'm shooting for a medium rare, which is 135 degrees Fahrenheit. We are 4 minutes in and I am going to flip our steaks over. Okay, all flipped. Now I'm thinking 4 more minutes is going to be too long for medium rare. I'm going to let this go for another 2 minutes. Take an internal temp on these. Got 2 minutes left of our 8. So I want to check these. Perfect. So that took 6 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a medium rare. I'm going to get these on a plate and let them rest for 5 minutes and we'll cut one of these open. I'm having a hard time having my camera focus. There we go. That is nice and tender and juicy. I have to take another bite. Delicious. Here's a few other air fryer recipes I think you would enjoy watching next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time.